Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone T3x. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.72 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. Approximately 91.48% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera, 4K. For 8GB version, for the software the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Fun Touch OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB of dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 7.99 mm, and it weighs around 199 grams, and the color options Crimson Bliss, Celestial Green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 44-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP64 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo T3x has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 13,499 Indian rupees, and around $162 and 44,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, and around $180 and 49,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 16,499 Indian rupees, and around $198 and 54,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo T3x smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.